Well, civil rights activists in Saratoga Springs are speaking out after the state attorney general's office released a preliminary report about the city's response to protests a few years back.
The report found the actions of city leaders infringed on the free speech rights of protesters. News 10 ABC's James De La Fuente has more details on what activists want to see changed.
Hands up! Don't shoot!
According to the Attorney General's office, the 28-page report lays out the mistakes made by city leaders when Black Lives Matter members were arrested following protests in 2020 and 2021.
I am happy that this report has shed light on the corruption within Saratoga Springs Police Department and the city of Saratoga Springs.
The report says officials, specifically former Mayor Meg Kelly, former Public Safety Commissioner Robin Dalton, and the former police chief Shane Crooks, implemented an unconstitutional official policy of retaliating against BLM protesters based on their speech.
These are not abstract issues. These are real, that affected real people's lives, that caused real harm to real people when democracy or the promise of democracy is betrayed as it was.
Alexis Figueiredo, co-founder of BLM Saratoga, says the group may take legal action.
I'm going to be speaking to my lawyer. If it's okay, I may be going down to file a complaint as soon as we get done with this press conference. So we're going to be looking for charges. We're looking for a justification. We're looking for justice. You see, Robin Dalton says she had a bloodlust, right? We have a justice lust.
Figueiredo says he is willing to work with the new city administration, but before that could happen, he's demanding one thing.
First step would be acceptance of what actually happened. If they can't accept what happened, if they can't accept that they did these things, we can't go forward.
The AG gave recommendations, and Saratoga BLM co-founder Samira Sangari focused in on one that they've heard before.
I'll point out point 7 on the recommendations, how SSPD's internal affairs and officer discipline process should be improved. We've heard that before with Daryl Mount.
Again, the report is preliminary, and in the next few months, the AG's office will be holding a public listening session before submitting their final report. Reporting in Saratoga Springs, James De La Fuente, News 10, ABC.
Saratoga Mayor John Safford says he continues to stand by his statement from yesterday. He says city officials are reviewing the report and working to implement the recommendations.